Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable peek at desktop on Windows 10 PC. When you move your cursor towards the end of the taskbar and suppose some applications are open, Windows automatically hides all the opened applications. When you move your mouse cursor towards the ends of the taskbar, there is a button that is known as show desktop button. You don't need to click on that button. Without clicking on that button, show desktop button, you can hide all the opened applications on Windows 10 PC and your desktop will be visible. You can enable or disable this one show desktop feature on Windows 10 PC from settings app. For that, right click on this one free space on the taskbar and select here taskbar settings option. In the taskbar settings, you need to turn on or turn off this one toggle switch that says use peek to preview the desktop. When you move your mouse to the show desktop button at the end of the taskbar, just enable or disable this one switch to enable or disable show desktop button peek feature on Windows 10 PC.